We are Team Aero from Nirma University presenting our fabrication video for Technoxian World Robotics Championship 2024. Our journey commences with thorough calculation using XFLR5 software to analyze the dynamics of our aircraft. The parameters considered were the airfoil, span and chord of the wing, along with the chord, span and lever arm length of horizontal and vertical stabilizer. We plotted graph to visualize and comprehend the aerodynamic property crucial for our design. Transitioning from theory to tangible design, we crafted a detailed CAD model using SolidWorks. Every component were carefully considered and assigned its respected material, ensuring a thorough understanding of our aircraft structure and functionality. Team has taken help of various computational analysis to determine the flyworthiness of the design. We utilize laser cutting to achieve precise cutting and shaping of our airfoil. The surface finish not only enhanced the aesthetics of our design but also facilitated the prototyping phase with accuracy. Fuselage. The backbone of our aircraft was fashioned from laser cut foam board and was securely bounded using adhesives. To further enhance its strength, we reinforced it with aeroply, ensuring resilience against the demands of flight. Canopy of the fuselage and empennage were made using hot wire cutting. Wing structure is designed in such a way that it resists force due to lift and pressure difference on the surface. Jigs are used for proper orientation of the airfoil. Pipe of aluminium is used to connect our airfoil because of its good specific strength. Thrust bench is carried out for measuring static thrust produced by the motor.